Ow!
It's good to see you guys. Really, it's good to be back.
We love you!
I love you too. I don't know you. How can I love you? I don't even know you. I think I love you. We go out for a drink later. I think I fall in love.
We got it!
Are you really up there that high? Love it. So serious on me.
Woo!
I'm nervous. It's gonna happen.
Ow!
You're in awe of me? Oh, please don't be in awe of me. I'm a klutz and I'm just feeling out my... Thank you for saying that. Just feeling out my stage. It's a long stage. Have you noticed the more famous I'm getting, the bigger the stages are getting? Like this one, oh my God, I forgot. This goes like all the way over here. This is fun. I could like get over here, slide around. And these people can see me, right? Sorry guys. Everybody has to see me. Huh? Okay, I'll get in a minute. Okay. Hi guys.
My song, Pass Kleenex.
This is a song from an album a couple of years back. It's called Brave. We really go all out on my set pieces.
How's my sound?
I don't know just where I'm going, and tomorrow it's a little overwhelming, and the air is cold, and I'm not the same anymore. I've been running in your direction for too long.